I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm here at the ESPRIT DP Technology booth with founder and CEO Dan Frassanet. Dan, tell us what you have in the ESPRIT CAM Systems booth at IMTS 2018.
Yes, we are doing a demonstration on automation for manufacturing. So basically we are known for the ESPRIT CAM system, but we are much more than this. We are really integrating, showing a demonstration of the Industry 4.0, how we can bring in virtual twin, a virtual world, to match a physical world, to speed up manufacturing and make it much easier. So automation will be, I think, the key word to take out of this.
And everybody's talking about Industry 4.0 and automation. Tell us what ESPRIT CAM Systems is doing.
Yeah, one of the things that we did, ESPRIT CAM System is actually part of a group of companies. The holding company is DP Technology. And as part of the group, we have machining.com, machiningcloud.com. We have Binary Spaces. So these are companies that do work on the Industry 4.0. So what we do, we have a publishing platform that allows any manufacturer in the world to publish digital data of what they are making. Now the beauty about it is that all these digital models, all these twins, now can then interact together. So you can create a whole factories, a digital factory, do the manufacturing in a virtual world, check what it is, and then simply print it. Okay, just make whatever part you want to make.
And why is this important to manufacturers now?
It's super important because automation is the key thing. Manufacturing is becoming more and more complex, extremely complex, and so you need systems to help you do things and to do them for you. Otherwise, there is no way on the little low part, value part, basically, you just don't make any money. You got to get into the big thing, and the big thing must be automated, okay?
And are there a lot of other exhibitors here at IMTS that are using the ESPRIT CAM system?
Yeah, actually quite a few. We are all over the show. If you walk around the different machine tool manufacturers, you will see an ESPRIT stand and ESPRIT booth showing some of the stuff we have. We have been known for many years, and people love us. We do all the complex stuff, and we do the whole broad of thing in manufacturing, including additive manufacturing, which is kind of a new thing for us. But it works, it's beautiful.
Can you tell us a little bit more about what you've been doing in additive?
In additive, we are supporting two types of machines, the powder bed machines. So this is with either laser or electron beam. And then we are also supporting the direct energy machine tools. So direct energy means you can bring in some metal with either a laser, you melt some powder, or it could be a wire, like the equivalent of a cladding machine or soldering machine. Okay, and so we do support this technology. One of the cycles we have pretty unique, it's 100% automated. You load the metal, and we support DED technology, so direct deposition, direct energy deposition, fully automated. Just load the metal, it does it.
Great. Now, what sets ESPRIT from anybody else that is in the industry or someone that might be competing or a similar type of product? What sets you apart?
I think the big difference is two things. One, we do the complex stuff. In other words, when you look at the pyramid of manufacturing, you got the high end, which is very difficult, the low end, simple stuff. We can do the low end, that's pretty obvious, but we do the high end. So anything that is super complex, 5-axis, Milton machine, all kind of many axes, there is no limit on it, is number one. And number two, we are doing this integration. Automation is the key word, as I mentioned, Industry 4.0. And we even opened a lab to do research in artificial intelligence applied to manufacturing. So 3.5 years from now, we should have some pretty good product in that arena.
That's exciting.
Yeah, totally. We're a bunch of nerds, we love it. Life is beautiful.
Great, thank you so much. Be sure to visit ESPRIT CAM at booth 131200 at IMTS 2018. You can also find more information at espritcam.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you for watching.